with this? What's all going into the soup?
This is just egg drop soup, quick egg drop soup. So basically just chicken broth, add a little bit of your water in there, and you can add whatever vegetables you want. In this case it's just garlic, fresh garlic, and the egg. You just poke a little hole in the top of it, and then you just kind of drip it in there, and it'll string itself out. Takes a little bit of patience. You want to do this before it fully starts to boil so you don't get too much steam on your hands. And if it is boiling, you can wear gloves. And then the yolk will come out last. You just have to shake it. And this is kind of one of the reasons why they call it egg drop soup.
Okay.
Just dropping the egg in there. Not the egg part, but the shell, but just the...
You don't drop the whole egg in there, people. You know.
Unless you like eating it.
Yeah. But you like it that way. But as a disclaimer, I would recommend you not doing that, you know, because it could pose a danger to your, you know, being able to swallow.
So about that size of a hole.
Okay.
Makes it a little bit quicker. If you want it really slow, but it takes a lot more time, you put a little smaller hole.
Why don't you just crack the whole thing and just dump the egg in there?
You can. At the end, if you want bigger pieces of egg, you can. But this is just to get the smaller strings going.
So it doesn't all come out one time, and then you have this big piece of egg that's all cooked in there.
Right. Different types of soup. You can do that.
Okay.
And you just put in as many eggs as you want, basically, and let it cook, and then you season it. I normally put salt, pepper, and a little bit of ginger, powdered ginger. If you like ginger taste to it, but just very slightly so it doesn't overpower the soup. And that's basically it.
Okay.
It'll take a bit before I'm able to season it.
Okay, well, we'll come back and check on it in a little bit.
Right, and then after the seasoning and everything, and you mix up your cornstarch mix with water, and just like you would normally do for cornstarch and water, and then add it in slowly and stir it until it thickens up to your desired consistency.
Okay. Let's take a peek over at the wonton strips now that they're done. Yeah, those look really good. I wish I could eat them.
Anyway. Over and out. See you soon.
Okay.